Today we are going to discuss about the select. So I'm going to show you. I'm saying this is my para, and if I'm selecting something, so it's saying something is selected. So how can you do that? I'm going to comment this so you can easily get the code. First of all, before doing this, I'm saying just create the text and add the ID. I'm saying text and I'm saying my text. Make sure capital. Okay, now I'm saying that this is the div and I'm saying this is the callback div feedback. Okay, now I'm saying when someone select this, I'm going to use callback function, and now I'm saying that this is a callback div and assign the text if someone selected something from this text area. You can also use the paragraph and also something other. Okay, now I'm saying something selected. Go to the page, refresh the page, write something. This is my para. Something is selected. So this is very useful. First of all, if you are designing a system that if your user can select something, you are going to fetch that selected items or that selected paragraph or something else. So you are going to save this selected items or text area inside your database, or you can also show that selected content on the page. So I think this is enough for today. In the next session we are going to cover some other things. Thank you for watching.